Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bread with nuts. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees F and measure ingredients precisely so dough consistency is predictable. Start by mixing flour, yeast, salt, and water until a shaggy mass forms, then add chopped nuts during the first fold. Rest the dough while it auto-lyses, then perform gentle folds every 30 minutes to build strength without tearing the gluten structure. Keep the tone relaxed and follow simple steps for mixing and fermenting. Mix until ingredients come together, then let the dough rest for an auto-lyse to hydrate flour and ease kneading. Add salt after auto-lyse and incorporate nuts gently so they distribute without crushing. During the bulk ferment, give the dough 3 to 4 folds at spaced intervals, watching it rise about 30 to 50% before shaping for the next phase. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more baking tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long bakery days on your feet. I find them cozy when waiting for dough to rise, and they add a small, helpful comfort to the process. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Shape the dough with gentle motions to build tension and maintain internal air pockets for a light crumb. Proof the loaf until it shows a slight spring when poked, then preheat your oven with a Dutch oven or baking stone inside. Score the loaf to control expansion, introduce steam for the first 15 minutes, and bake until the crust is deep golden and the interior reads around 200 degrees F to 205 degrees F, then cool fully before slicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.